Hey there! Welcome! This video will introduce you to campaign rules in the CommPeak Dialer. We will show how to access campaign rules, explain the rule components, and provide and interpret a rule example. We recommend that before learning about rules, you have a basic understanding of campaigns. Refer to the Help Center guide about working with campaigns. On the Campaigns page, click Frequent in Actions and select Rules to access the campaign rules. The campaign rules define the workflow and actions performed on the leads once they enter the campaign, depending on their weight, status, number of calls, and so on. Every new dialer starts with a default set of rules. You can adjust these rules to fit your needs. Most of them control call statuses, but some also set limits on the number of calls, assign leads to agents, and more. Some rules are combined into groups by lead weight. The weight of a lead shows its priority. Newer leads carry a higher weight. The highest weight above 10,000 usually belongs to the leads that the CRM marks as online, like in this example. These leads will be called immediately, which is direct dialing. However, you can ask your account manager to change this logic according to your needs. Following online leads, you can notice rules for new leads with a weight between 1,200 and 1,400. These are the leads from the last 2 to 3 days. Rules for regular leads with a weight below 1,200 appear lower. You might see some of your rule groups disabled. So, if your dialer is not integrated with a CRM, but you use lead files instead, you don't need a rule for online leads. In this case, the dialer team sets the rule group to disabled, and the rules inside don't work, even if they are marked as active. Click Expand All to take a closer look at rule components. Each rule has columns for the title, the status, active or not, and for conditions and actions. The conditions contain leads' characteristics that trigger the rule activation. All specified conditions must be fulfilled for the actions to be applied to the lead. Let us take an example of a rule for regular leads. In this case, if the dialer called the regular lead with a weight below 1,200, and the call ended with no answer or voicemail status of the lead, the following actions will apply. Any existing freeze on the lead will be removed. A new average freeze time of 2 hours will be set, and the lead's weight will be decreased, lowering its dialing priority. All conditions must be met for a lead before the rule's actions apply, not just one. You can find more rule examples in the campaigns in your dialer. We recommend that you contact the CommPeak support team if you wish to customize the rules in your production campaigns. Remember that at any time, you can enter the chat below and get advice. Thank you for watching, and stay in touch.